Excellent. Let's learn EVS revision. Today let's take EVS revision. Forms of animals and names of young ones. Take your notebook and write some question answers also. Ready? Excellent. Let's write some question answers from EVS. Let me ask you some question answers. Where does a dog live? Where does a dog live? Can you say the answer? Is a dog lives in a kennel. A dog lives in a kennel. Say with me. A dog lives in a kennel. What is spelling of kennel? Kennel. Kennel. Say with me. Kennel. Kennel. Okay. Next question. Where does a cow live? Where does a cow live? Can you say the answer? A cow lives in a shed. A cow lives in a shed. A cow lives in a shed. What is spelling of shed? S-H-E-D, shed. S-H-E-D, shed. Okay. Next question. Where does a horse live? Where does a horse live? Where does a horse live? Horse lives in a stable. A horse lives in a stable. A horse lives in a stable. What is spelling of stable? S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. Okay. What's next question? Where does a lion live? Where does a lion live? Where does a lion live? A lion lives in a den. A lion lives in a den. A lion lives in a den. Do you know the spelling of den? D-E-N, den. D-E-N, den. Okay, well done. Next question. Where does a monkey live? Where does a monkey live? A monkey lives on trees. A monkey lives on trees. A monkey lives on trees. Okay. What next question? Where does a bird live? Where does a bird live? A bird lives in a nest. Bird lives in a nest. What is spelling of nest? N-E-S-T, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. What is next question? Name the young one of a dog. Name the young one of a dog. Can you say the answer? Yes. Name the young one of a dog. Puppy. 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 Name the young one of a dog. Puppy. Puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. Puppy. What next name? Name the young one of a cat. Name the young one of a cat. Name the young one of a cat. Kitten. Kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. Okay. What next? Name the young one of a cow. Name the young one of a cow. Name the young one of a cow. What is the answer? Calf. Calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. 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 Okay. Good. What next name? Name the young one of a sheep. Name the young one of a sheep. Can you see the answer? Yes, lamb. Lamb. L-A-M-B. Lamb. Lamb. Very good. Next question. Name the young one of a kangaroo. Name the young one of a kangaroo. Can you see the answer? Yes, joy. J-O-E-Y. Joy. J-O-E-Y. Joy. Very good. What next, children? Name the young one of a lion. Name the young one of a lion. Can you see the answer? Yes. Cub. Cub. C-U-B. Cub. Cub. Okay. Next one. Name an animal that gives birth to a young one. Name an animal that gives birth to a young one. Can you see the answer? Yes, dog. Dog or lion. Anyone you can type the answer. Next one. Name an animal that lays eggs. Name an animal that lays eggs. Can you see the answer? Snake or birds. Snake or birds. Understand? Snake or bird. Write these question answers in the notebook. Write and learn very well. And prepare. Okay. Write and learn. Okay. So children, today let's learn names of young ones and their homes. Names of young ones. Animals have a home. Names of young ones and their homes. See, what is this? Dog and young one, puppy. Dog and young one, puppy. Dog, young one, puppy. Where do they live? They live in a kennel. Where do they live? They live in a kennel. Understand? Where do they live? They live in a kennel. Dog, young one name, puppy. They live in a kennel. Understand? They live in a kennel. See, next one. Cow, calf. Cow, young one, calf. Cow, young one, calf. Cow, calf. Cow, calf. What is spelling of calf? C-A-L-F, calf. Where do they live? They live in a shed. Shed. They live in a shed. They live in a shed. Understand? Cow, calf. They live in a shed. Okay? What next, children? Horse. Horse. Foal. Names of young man. Horse. Foal. Names of young man. Foal. Names of young man. Horse. Foal. Horse. Foal. Horse. Foal. Horse. Foal. Foal spelling F-O-A-L. Foal. Where do they live, children? They live in a stable. They live in a stable. They live in a stable. Horse and their young one, foal. They live in a stable. They live in a... See next one, child. Sheep, lamb. Sheep, young one name, lamb. Sheep, names of young one, lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. Lamb. Where do they live, children? They live in a pen. They live in a pen. Sheep and lamb live in a pen. Sheep and lamb live in a pen. Pen. Understand? See next one. Lion, young one, cub. Lion, young one, cub. Where do they live, children? They live in a den. They live in a den. Lion and cub live in a den. Lion and cub live in a den. Say with me. Lion and cub live in a den. This is den. This is den. See, lion and name of young one, cub. Lion, cub live in a den. See, children, next one, tiger and cub. Tiger and cub. Names of young one, cub. Tiger, names of young one, cub. Cub. What spelling of cub? C-U-B. Cub. Cub. Tiger. Names of young one. Cub. Tiger. Names of young one. Cub. Where do they live, children? They live in a lair. They live in a lair. Where do they live? They live in a lair. Say with me. tiger and calf, they live in a lair. They live in a lair. Understand? See next one, children. Monkey and infant. See name of name of young man. Monkey, infant. 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 Monkey, infant. Monkey, infant. Monkey, infant. Where do they live, children? They live on trees. They live on trees. Monkey and the young one, infant, live on trees. They live on trees. Understand? See next one. Kangaroo and young one, Joy. Kangaroo and young one, Joy. Kangaroo and young one, Joy. Where do they live, children? They live in grass. See? Surrounding by grass. Understand? They live on grass. Kangaroo and Joy live in grassland. Grassland. This is called grassland. They live in a grassland. Understand? Next about birds. Birds. Young one, birds. Birds, young one name, birds. So where do they live, children? They live in the nest. They live in the nest. Birds live in the nest. Birds live in the nest. Okay? Next you see some animals like butterflies go through a series of changes. What is the first change? Eggs. Lay eggs on the leaf. After that is the first stage. What is the second stage? Second stage become caterpillar. Second stage become caterpillar. Again it become pupa. You can see around us now. This pupa. We can see on the trees. We can see hanging pupa. This is pupa. Third stage is pupa. And fourth stage is colorful butterflies with beautiful wings. They fly here and there, everywhere. Understand? Did you observe that butterfly series? Yes. Today onwards, just you observe the series of butterflies. There are 4 stages. Butterflies has 4 stages. First one is laying eggs. Second is caterpillar. Third is pupa. And fourth one is colorful butterfly. It become colorful butterfly. See this. This dog and lion give birth to young ones. Dog and lion give birth to young ones. Dog and lion give birth to their young ones. Understand? But some snakes and birds lay eggs and give birth to their young ones. Understand? Lay eggs. These animals, birds and snakes, lay eggs and give birth to their young ones. Dog and lion give birth to young ones. They are not laying eggs, but these birds and snakes laying eggs. See, children, match the pictures. Do you remember the names of young ones of animals? Match the animals to their young one. What is first one? Dog. What is the children? Let's learn to write cursive P. Cursive letter P. Look here. Fourth line. Go up, come down, and just like P. This is P. Start from the last line. Go up, come down, and just like P. This is P. Okay. Next, let us write R. See the finger? R. This is R. Take slanting line, come down and take curve. Okay. Curve line, come curve and take curve again. R. This is R. R. This is R. R. Understand? Once again, let's write Q. Q first like A. Write calm down and write Q. Again, tail first and write Q. This is Q. Tail first and write Q. This is Q. So P R Q. Okay, can you write? Write and learn.